Hey everyone! Welcome back to the sounding board. Today we're diving into something fun, shocking, and maybe even a little embarrassing. 10 things you've probably been doing wrong your whole life. Don't worry though, we're all guilty of at least a few of these, so grab a pen and paper or just sit back, relax, and prepare to have your mind blown. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic mistake: cracking eggs. Most people crack them on the edge of a bowl, right? But did you know that doing this increases the chances of shell pieces getting into your eggs? The better way is to crack them on a flat surface. It creates a cleaner break and keeps those pesky shell fragments out of your breakfast. See? Perfectly clean crack. Try it tomorrow and thank me later. Are you tired of that annoying pool of oil sitting on top of your natural peanut butter? Here's a hack: store the jar upside down. Yes, upside down. This way, the oils distribute evenly, and you'll never have to spend 5 minutes stirring again. Who knew peanut butter could be this stress-free? Ladies and gents, if you've ever used a bobby pin, chances are you've been doing it wrong. The wavy side? That's actually supposed to face down to grip your hair better. Yep, it's not just for decoration. Mind-blowing, right? Let's keep it moving. Microwaving leftover pizza often turns it into a soggy mess, but if you place a cup of water in the microwave alongside the pizza, it'll help maintain the crust's texture. Or better yet, reheat it in a skillet for a crispy bottom. Because no one deserves sad pizza. Super upgrade your leftovers. Here's one you probably haven't thought about: sleeping. If you're a stomach sleeper, it's time to rethink things. Sleeping on your stomach can strain your neck and spine, causing pain over time. The best positions? Sleeping on your back or side with proper support. Your body will thank you for this one. Trust me. Cutting cherry tomatoes one by one is so last year. Place them between 2 plates, press gently, and slice through the middle with a sharp knife. Boom! Perfectly halved tomatoes in seconds. You're welcome, salad lovers. Let's talk about your phone. Leaving it plugged in overnight might seem harmless, but it can degrade your battery's lifespan. Instead, unplug it once it hits 80 to 90%. Pro tip: use a smart plug to cut off power automatically. Your future self will thank you when your battery still holds a charge. How often do you wash your jeans? If you said after every wear, you're doing it wrong. Frequent washing can wear out the fabric and fade the color. Instead, spot clean when possible and wash only when they're really dirty. Pro tip: freeze your jeans to kill bacteria and odors without washing. It works! Believe it or not, most people peel bananas from the wrong end. The stem is actually the tougher side. Flip it around and pinch the opposite end for an easy peel, just like monkeys do. Nature knows best. Finally, let's talk straws. Ever notice that tiny bump on the side of a soda can's tab? It's actually designed to hold your straw in place. Flip the tab, insert the straw, and no more floating or wobbling straws. Little things make a big difference, right? And there you have it. 10 everyday things you've probably been doing wrong your whole life. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so they can level up their life hacks too. Until next time, this is the Sounding Board signing off.